2025 Toyota Prado equipped with ARB kit on display at SEMA 2024. ARB showcases a selection of its gear for the all-new Prado. An all-new Prado wearing a selection of ARB modifications has taken to the stage at the 2024 SEMA show in Las Vegas. Just to get us all a little bit more giddy in anticipation for its Australian arrival, the ARB Prado is running an Old Man Emu BP51 suspension kit, which increases the ride height and allows a set of 17-inch method MRW beadlock wheels inside 35-inch Nitto Trail Grappler mud terrain tires to slot in. A specifically designed Summit MKII bull bar hosts Intensity IQ driving lights and a Xeon 10S winch. Summit side rails with integrated side steps blend nicely with the front end. To maximize storage, ARB base rack sits up top with an awning and a set of Nacho Quattro lights attached to it. Interior kit includes an ARB Zero freezer, a twin air compressor, and a Lynx accessory interface and pressure control unit. Prado joins the Prado Rocks concept and 4Runner TRD Surf concept, which are both on the Toyota stage at this year's SEMA show. The 2024 SEMA show will run from November 5th to 8th in Las Vegas, Nevada. The all-new Prado is set to launch imminently in Australia, with a starting price of $72,500 for the base spec GX.